Semrush Marketing and SEO Honest Review, Watch Before Using. In this video, I'm diving into an honest review of Semrush, one of the most powerful tools for digital marketing and SEO. If you're considering using it, make sure you watch this first. Links to the product are in the description below if you want to explore it yourself. Semrush is a comprehensive SEO and marketing toolkit used by businesses of all sizes. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur, an agency, or a large corporation, it has features that can scale with your needs. From keyword research and backlink analysis to competitor tracking and site auditing, Semrush offers a wide range of tools that make it easier to grow your online presence. One of its standout features is the Keyword Magic tool, which helps you find the best keywords to target for your content or PPC campaigns. You can explore keyword difficulty, search volume, and trends to target the right keywords effectively. Semrush's site audit feature is another key tool, allowing you to easily identify technical SEO issues on your website, track performance, and fix errors that could impact your rankings. Semrush also excels at competitive research. You can analyze your competitors' websites, discover their backlinks, monitor their ad strategies, and even track their rankings. This gives you a distinct advantage when formulating your own digital marketing plan. But let's talk pricing. While Semrush offers a variety of plans, it can be on the pricier side for small businesses or individuals just starting. However, the depth of features may justify the cost for larger teams or companies focused on SEO, content marketing, and paid search. In conclusion, Semrush is a powerful tool for anyone serious about SEO and digital marketing. It's packed with features that can save you time and boost your website's performance. If you're ready to take your online strategy to the next level, Semrush might just be what you need. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you found this review helpful. It helps spread the word and helps others learn about useful tools like Semrush.